Hi everyone. So today we go with 10.3 polygon uh, perimeter and texelation. So the object name option polygons according of the number of the side. Recognize the characters option correlate quad quadrilateral. Solving the problem involved with polygon perimeter. Find the sum of measurement polygon angle, understand texelation, and the angle is the requirement. So polygon, polygon, any closed shape of the plane. So any closed shape of the plane formed by three or more segments. So the intersects only there at the end. So the regular polygon they have the side which are the same length and the angle for the same measurements. The perimeter polygon is the sum angle of the legs of the sides. So this one sum of the regular polygon triangle. They have a three sides called quadrilateral. That's what they have a four side. A polygon they have a five sides, and hexagon they have a six sides, and heptagon they have eight sides. Octagon they have the eight sides. So hexagon they have a seven sides. Octagon they have the eight sides. So we have a parallel parallelogram, the quad uh, quadrilateral is the which both pair is the opposite side, the parallel, and the same measurements. Opposite angle is the same measurement. So you see this side is the parallel, and also they have the same measurement, and also this one is the angle. So that is the corridor is both pair is the positive side parallel, opposite side is the same measurements. Rubens, Rubus, Rhombus. The parallel with all sides is the equal side, equal length. And rectangular, the four right angle, because the right angle follows opposite side is the parallel and have the same measurements. So you can see this. Square, of course, is four sides. Um, all sides have an equal length, and the angle measured for this one. And trapezoid, the correlator totals is exactly one pair of the parallel sides. So exactly one pair of the parallel side, which we have this parallel sides. So we can, for example, the fence cost is 5.25 per foot by the cost of closing of the with this fence. So you see this, the length is 42 yard and the width that is 28 yard. So we have to find a perimeter for the rectangular of the yard. So what we do, we have a formula for that. So everybody know have a formula for that. So what is the formula for that? So we have P equal 2L plus 2W, right? 2W. So this one we have P equal 2 times 42 yards plus 2 times 2 times what? 28 yard. So this one should be equal 140 yard. So 140 yards, right? So as we have the same, so convert the to the feet. How you convert to the feet? So we have the 140 yard, 140 yard. So we can have 140 yard over 1 time 1 yard is 3 feet. So this one we can say as, you see this yard is done because they want the feet. So this one we have 420 feet. This 420 feet. So multiply by the cost per foot. So we have cost is 420 feet, and we have what? Money 525 1 foot. So we can see this, and as we know, feet, and now we have a dollar sign. So this one is, we got 2205. So if we want to make a fan like this, they cost us the $2,205 and $5. $2,205. So another example, the sum of measurements of a polygon angle. The sum measurements of the angle at the polygon YS is n minus 2 times 180. So the sum of the measurements angle for the octane. Remember octane. Octane is what? Octane is means 8, right? So octane is 8. So octane is 8. So we have what we using. Uh, Let me use a different color for this. Using the formula. We're using the formula as 2. Actually, not 2. We have a formula. N minus 2 time for 180. This. So we have 180 degrees. Okay. So 180 degrees. Width. Width. And equal 8. The sum of measurement measures of an octangle octagon octagon is um, 8. Octagon is 8 sides, right? Minus 2 and 180 degrees. So 180 degrees equal 6 times 180. 180 equal 1080 degrees. Okay. So we have deceleration or tilling. The pattern considered of the repeat using the same geometry figure and to complete the cover the plan, leaving no gap and no overlap. The sum of measurements of the angle together vertex is always is 360. More restrictive conditions create a tessellation. Tessellation is that just one type of polygon may be used. So this one example for the other tessellation. You see that's look this one like a soccer ball. We can see that a basketball or this one. That's how they do the correction or direction, decorate something. So we have a sample of the angle required for a hexagon. So we have, you see that they want to know what the gap, or they want to know, explain why the hexagon cannot be created use the only the regular pentagon. So we can see all this stuff. So now we have so I can say apply. We still do apply the thing again. So n minus 2 and we have 180 180 to find the measure of each angle of a regular pentagon penta, pentagon regular pentagon. So each angle, measure. So it's angle measure. So we have so pentagon is 5, right? So we got 5 minus 2, 180 over 5. So we got 3, 180 over 5. So we got 180 degrees for each of them. Okay, so thank you very much.